Before we get into the technicals, I want to give you an overview of the 6 steps to creating successful local Facebook ads campaign. So you must get these 6 steps right before you start creating your ads. There is a strategy guide that accompanies this video, and it goes more into detail, step by step, and exactly what you have to do. Step 1. Create a great offer. A great offer is an irresistible lead magnet. In the online marketing world, a lead magnet can be a free guide or a low entry price product, service, or treatment that your target audience actually wants. Your lead magnet must deliver a specific result, provides immediate gratification, and shifts the relationship from "I don't know you" to a buyer. It also must have high perceived value. For example, 50 vouchers available for a teeth cleaning for only $10. We know that teeth cleaning costs much more than that, but it provides an irresistible offer, which is the lead magnet, a teeth cleaning, and it's something that the target audience actually wants. And it's priced at $10, which is an irresistible offer. Step 2. Write compelling ad copy. The Facebook newsfeed is crowded, and your ad must capture a user's attention to stand out from the crowd. I'm not the best copywriter. However, I use a Facebook ad copy formula to help me write high converting ad copy. So let's go through it. The Facebook ad copy formula is like this. 1. Grab attention. You need to grab your audience attention by addressing their pain points, challenges, or calling out your audience. However, in Facebook advertising policy, you can't call out any personal attributes, so remember that. For example, you can say, "Hey city name," so "Hey New Yorkers," so you can grab attention by calling out the city name. Interest. Inspire interest by describing the benefits of your lead magnet. For example, great white teeth cleaning. Desire. You must provide a reason or desire to click, and in the example we use, $10 is an irresistible offer that creates desire. Action. The action is the call to action that you want the user to take. So for example, click here or download your free guide, or click here to claim your free offer. And if you have a free guide, there's no need to have the word free in large caps. That just simply screams an ad. Your goal is to make it look as part of the news feed, but also provide value. Step 3. Eye-catching ad creative. A creative is the image, the video, or the visual that you'll be using for your Facebook ad. It should be a visual representation of what your ad copy promises. So for example, image or video elements tell a story. It displays your products in use if you have a product that you want to sell. It stands out on the news feed, so you can use contrasting bright colors, and if it's an image or a story, it evokes emotions in that people stop and actually look at it. You don't have to have all these elements in your creative. Just simply pick out 1 or 2 elements, such as displaying your product in use or bright colors, and you should be good to go. Step 4. Create a relevant landing page. Your landing page must match what you promise in your Facebook ad. If the user clicks on your Facebook ad and they arrive at a landing page that doesn't have the same look and feel, it creates confusion, and then the user exits without taking any action, and that's the last thing you want to do. For a few tips around this, use similar design, imagery, and color on your landing page as you did in your Facebook ad, so have it kind of matching. Use the same offer you had in your Facebook ad and apply it to your landing page. So for example, if your offer is a $10 treatment, then your landing page must show that it's a $10 treatment, not a $15 treatment. And lastly, use the same copy you had in your Facebook ad on your landing page. So if you're using the benefits of clean teeth, fresh mouth, have those copy elements on the landing page as well. You want everything to match from your Facebook ad to your landing page. Everything is relevant, everything matches. Step 5, target the right audience. You could build the best Facebook ad campaign, but if you put your offer in front of the wrong audience, it will fail no matter what. For local Facebook ads, you just simply have to focus on zip codes. So in your Facebook targeting options, you only need to focus on targeting the zip code. In Australia, it's targeting the suburb code, and you focus less on age or gender unless you have a service that is specifically aimed for women or a specific gender. Step 6, launch your Facebook ad campaign. This is the final step in launching and implementing your Facebook ad campaign. When you get to this step, you will need to watch the videos on ad targeting, ad creation, and creating a sales funnel. This is all covered in future videos, which you can watch over my shoulder and learn which buttons you have to press in a step-by-step manner. Make sure you download this strategy guide. So I'm just going to quickly run through so that you can see how it covers all the elements that I've just gone through, but just in more detail, because I don't want to waste your time watching a long video when everything is explained in this strategy guide. So just go ahead and download this strategy guide and implement.